Okay, the pressure pump. Let's see how to disassemble the pressure pump. First, pull out the ink cartridge system, then remove the 3 screws. Okay, so after you have finished removing those 3 screws, we are going to do the exact same thing again, and then carefully take off the top cover. Go ahead and take it off. Let's start by removing the exhaust pipe first. You just need to pull it out carefully. It can be pulled out quite easily, just like this. Just make sure you have a firm grip on it while you slide it out. Okay, pull it to one side. Pull it to one side. Now we can disassemble the pressure pump. If we find it in the way, we can also remove this auxiliary module. If the auxiliary module is in the way, we can also take it. If the ribbon cable is in the way, we can also remove it, right? Put it aside. We will focus on disassembling the pressure pump. There are 2 screws on the pressure pump that need to be removed. All right, that sounds like a really solid plan to me. Let's go ahead and get started with that. After removing the pressure pump's fixing screws, we can lift the pressure pump up. We can take the pressure pump out, then unplug this ribbon cable. Once the ribbon cable is unplugged, we can remove the entire pressure pump. All right, that's it. That's basically how it's done. This is how you disassemble the pump. We just unplug this cable and that's it. Then the pressure pump can be removed. Now, if you are replacing it with an identical one, after we plug in the ribbon cable, then for the pressure pump, pay attention, pay attention. We have 2 slots here. Do you see them? Yes, yes, there are 2 so-called posts, and they are supporting us. They are on top of the posts here. Also, make sure not to lose the O-ring. The O-ring, we definitely need to install one. These 2 small holes, secure this. We need to insert these 2 small posts into the holes of these posts. We don't know, just insert them in. Okay, like this. Now we put back the fixing block that we removed from the hole earlier, and then we tighten the screws. Once we have secured it, the pressure pump is installed, and then we can just put the cover back on. To finish the installation, just go ahead and plug in the ribbon cable and then securely attach our ground wire to the terminal. Once you have done that, you're all set, and that is really all there is to it. This part is simple, and that is the complete process for how you safely disassemble the pressure pump unit. Once you have finished that, go ahead and carefully install the ribbon cable back into its slot, and make sure to reattach the ground wire as well to ensure proper connectivity. Finally, you can gently put the assembly down in its designated spot. Then you just need to install these 3 screws, and with that, the pump will be fully installed.